Hi everybody! Ready for a smoothie? My cat is, I am. Now today we're gonna make another healthy smoothie, and this video is also available in German. This video is also available in Czech. What we will use for the smoothie I'm going to make, you can always skip something if you're allergic or anything, is what I'm going to show you now. All you find here is basically ecological. It can be like non-ecological too. So these are the dry raspberries. You can use fresh ones actually. I use the dry ones for the color and just because it's so easy to have them at home all the time. And then here are my cashews. My husband's allergic to cashews, so I'm only going to take a few. Then I had these blueberries, and I thought, yeah, that's so great because that makes a nice thick consistency. And here we have some nuts. We have para, we have almonds, we have, oh god damn it, the third one's I don't know. Walnuts. Yeah, here's my spinach, just because I wanted some sort of vegetable in there. And my basis is an apple and banana. And since it has to be like one big glass for me and one little bit smaller glass for my husband, it's going to be fine. So grab your knives, and I'm basically going to cut almost everything. Yeah, you can see my helper here. Yeah, very helpful. Oh girl, what are you doing? And we start with the apple. So I'm going to cut the right side and then the left side. Then I have this flat thing, which I'm going to also cut off, where I'm also going to cut off left and right. And it's like a beauty mistake here. All the cat people are probably going to go whatever now because I give my cat a leaf of spinach. Well, I think it's like grass, like cat grass. It's basically the same thing. And she enjoys it so much. Why should I take it away from her? And besides that, she sits here in peace instead of disturbing my video the entire time. So I'm pretty happy. As you might have seen in my other smoothie video, I'll put away whatever I don't need to compost right away, and I'm gonna put all my cut things into the mixer or blender, however you call it, right away. Did I tell you in the last video that was a wedding gift we got? It was great. It's like the most used wedding gift we got so far. And it probably will be forever. If you didn't notice, we continued with the banana, but I think you did. And you can basically cut 3 times and that's it. The blender should be able to do that, but mine is, oh, stay here. Mine works better when I have all the things cut a little bit more than just a little bit. I'll also cut the spinach leaves, probably just because I really like doing that. It's like zack, zack, and it's done. I also will cut the nuts, probably also because I really like doing it. And I probably think my mixer can handle it better and it's less loud. But you don't have to. So you can also be lazy and just watch me doing it and laugh at me while you don't do it. And just throw them in. It's okay too with me, So anyway, blueberries, just drop them in. I'm not going to cut those. Suck. Unless you want to have blue hands, then cut them without gloves, and then you have nice color for the rest of the day at least. Cashews, you don't have to use any of this, as I said before. Like if you skip one or two things or put something else in there, like whatever, a pear instead of blueberries, or I don't know, it'll work out. So like a handful of raspberries will do. If you want to have a classic version of what smoothies should lately be like, you take ice, like crushed ice. I don't like that. Oh gosh, no, my cat is not drinking here, don't worry, she's just sniffing. Sweetheart. Yeah, and now you look like you hate me because I showed you water. Oh, bad me, evil me. I showed you good fresh water. No, you only want to drink out of the dirty puddles. Anyway, I just took this small wine glass full of water for my smoothie, and then I have a really thick, nice consistency without crushed ice. You can do that differently as well. You take as much water as you would like to have. If my husband would do that, he would take more water, because he's always like, why is this so thick? Am I supposed to have a spoon or what? But that's okay. I hope that I can laugh at this for the rest of my life. It would be helpful if I could. He'll probably say it for the rest of his life. And blueberries, by the way, I don't know if you knew that, but if you let the smoothie rest in the fridge for a couple of hours or something, it will thicken up because of the blueberries. But don't ask me why. I just know that happens only when I have blueberries in a smoothie. So look at this nice consistency. I love it that way. And here you have a really healthy and good smoothie. For your eyes, it's very good, and for your digestion, and it's healthy anyway, you know. I mean, it's fresh fruit. Why shouldn't it be? Enjoy your smoothie. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, and see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.